A lot of statistics, which obviously is so great at Lancaster, you can apply that in so many different fields. Yeah.
Statistics especially, because like you can see that in everything. Like when they're talking on the news and they'd be like, 86% of the country thinks this, and then your statistics brain would be like, that's wrong.
Yes,
You're not reading that right. Yeah.
If you want to study mathematics and statistics, then the two things that you need to have are that deep understanding of the fundamental mathematics, the way that the mathematics underlies and underpins all of the statistical work. And you also need that facility with data and with computation. And by bringing those two things together, you're not only a statistician who can answer questions, but you really deeply know why the techniques you're using are the right techniques to use.
At Lancaster, you're not just sat in lectures, you take part in workshops, in problem-solving classes, and you have constant opportunities to truly understand the beauty of maths and believe it yourself.
Diversity of content is massive. Like when you do A-levels, it's very course specific, whereas when you do maths, you would like sit down and be like, this is the area of statistics, and then that's how it relates to everything else that you could possibly think of, and let's bring that back into climate change and talk about that for a little while.
It's an amazing department, amazing research happens here, and we're in an amazing place with mountains and lakes on your doorstep. There's a sort of transition as people learn to sort of sit with hard things in degree mathematics and just sort of ruminate on problems and often come to the solution eventually. But that's a big transition because when you first meet that, that sounds hard. Answering something which you might not be able to get the answer for, but learning to sit with that and learn from each time you fail to solve something is a massive emotional journey.
To some extent, I feel more supported here because I have more lecturers and because they all have office hours and they are all happy to have a small chat after a lecture, or they are happy to be emailed and to be contacted at any time.
It's just all these doors start opening up once you start, actually studying things like that, not just in academia, but in job opportunities or in networking or just in talking to people. Like, you're just surrounded by options all the time, which, yeah, like you said, it's a really exciting feeling.